Good morning, second grade. Happy Monday. So you'll be watching this video on Monday. Today's lesson is 104. So get out your paper for 104, okay? Lesson 104, and it's April 20th. You'll be watching this video. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's lesson, we're going to be talking about finding the perimeter of a shape. So when we talk about perimeter, basically what that means is we're going to be measuring the lengths of the sides of that shape. Okay, so we're going to be measuring the lengths, and how we do that, of course, is with a ruler, right? Okay, so today we're going to be using our centimeter side, so which is the little ones. The big numbers are the inches, right? But our centimeter side is the little small numbers there. So that's what we'll be using today, okay? We'll be using a ruler to measure the sides. Now, perimeter, again, it's adding all of the sides once we measured it out, okay? So we're going to be adding all of the sides. Now, I put this on the board for an example practice before we do our lesson worksheet. So what we're going to be doing is I'm just going to be basically making up numbers, right? Because it's not really our ruler. We can't really measure this with a ruler. So we're pretending that it's, on your paper, okay? Because, yeah, I think that'll be easier. So we're going to make up some numbers here, right? Okay, so let's pretend that this length, and we measured it, right? And let's pretend that it was 6 centimeters. We're going to put 6 there, okay? And then, technically, this looks like a square, right? So if it's a square, maybe this one was 6 too. And this side is the same as this side, so that one's going to be 6. And then the top one's going to be 6 too. So we have 4 of the 6s, right? So right here, we're going to put 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Okay? So we know that 6 plus 6 is 12. And over here is 12 also. Right? You know that these two are 12. So then we can add 12 plus 12. And that equals, that's right, 24 centimeters is our total. That is our perimeter. Okay? So you would measure your side, then you would add each side together. Since this is how many sides? 4 sides. We would add this number plus that number plus that number plus that number, which we did, and then we equaled our perimeter, which is 24 centimeters, okay? So hopefully that looked easy to you, but we are going to do another example. Now, I actually measured out this one, and I know it's kind of small, so it is really truly in centimeters. And I will get my ruler, and we're going to measure this together, okay? So let's see. We have, okay, so this is the inches, this is the centimeters, and we have the 0 part. Okay, so let's see, where's the, okay, so we're going to start at that line there. So you want to get up close, and we're measuring that. And if you can see it, what number is that stopping at? That's right, the 6. So this side is 6 centimeters. Good job. And let's measure the other side too. So let's see if you can see that. Put it close like that. Can you see that? That's 6 also, good. Okay, 6 centimeters, and then we're going to measure the bottom here. And so, I'm going to try to get it close to the camera. And what does that say? Very good. That says about 4, right? I think so. Yep, 4. Okay. Okay, so now that we measured our sides, the next step for perimeter is adding all the sides. So how many sides does a triangle have? 3, very good. So we're going to add 6 plus 6 plus 4. So 6 centimeters plus 6 centimeters plus 4 centimeters equals, and we'll put our answer right here. So we can easily add 6 plus 4 together. That equals what? 10. And then 10 plus 6, or 6 plus 10, 16. Very good. So our answer for perimeter is 16 centimeters, and that's our answer for perimeter, okay? So that's what perimeter is. All it is step 1. You add all your sides for the shape. Step 1 was measuring all the sides, and then step 2 is adding the sides. And then you add them up together and you get your answer for perimeter. Okay, and of course don't forget to put your label. So if it's centimeters, you have to put centimeters. If it's inches, you'll have to put inches, or whatever you're talking about there, centimeters or inches. Okay, but today we're talking about centimeters. Okay, so if you have your lesson worksheet, it looks like you have a triangle and a rectangle. So you'll have to, at home, get out your rulers and you'll measure the sides there with your rulers in centimeters. So you'll use the bottom one. And so, let's see here. Yep. And then after you measure all 3 sides, then you're going to write. So I think we'll do A together. Just trying to make sure that I don't show you the other answers there. Okay. So for A, if you look at that there, they measured 9 centimeters, then this one was 12, and this one was 12. So then you would write here 12 plus, oh sorry, this one was 15, actually. I thought it was 12. So 9 is measured here, 12, and then this long one is 15 centimeters. So then they add 12 centimeters plus 15 centimeters plus 9 centimeters. And that is equal to 36 centimeters. So our perimeter is 36 centimeters. So that's what you would do. You would grab your ruler, you would add these sides. You would measure the sides first, right? Measure first, then add, and then get your answer. And that is perimeter, okay? So in your lesson worksheet, you'll also do the square as well. So make sure you get your ruler out and measure that. And then I'm trying to think, yep, and that is all. So that is the lesson for perimeter. You guys can practice this at home, but make sure you do your subtraction facts also, your wrap-ups. It looks like today you'll be doing, one second, let me look that up really quick. Bear with me here, okay? The 7 wrap-ups. It looks like you're doing the -7 wrap-ups once and the -6 wrap-up twice. So don't forget to do that at home, because I know everyone has your wrap-ups at home. I hope you're taking good care of them. And so make sure you practice those, okay? I'll see you later.